J Squad, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this look by using CurlsCurls clipping extensions. I need to tell you a little bit of a backstory on why I decided to get the clip-ins. I was super fed up of wearing wigs that had nothing in common with my hair. Whoa. Isn't it crazy how your perspective can completely change in like 2 years? Like, I can't relate to this picture anymore. I just wanted to try something that had more of a natural look and that wasn't too difficult for me to style. I think with wigs, I mean, wigs are amazing anyways, but I don't know how to do cornrows, and the gluing experience was annoying to me at some point. I think I got to the point where I didn't want to deal with it and I didn't want to destroy my edges. I just started searching Kinky Curly and I found this amazing YouTuber. Her name is Miss Naturally Curly. She has so many videos with these clip-ins. I decided to give it a try, and guys, I am super happy. I think I've said enough, so let's start this video. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to prep the clip-in. This is what I did the first time I used this hair. I thought water would be enough, but actually, if you think about it, water evaporates and the hair becomes dry again. I'm going to show you how the hair looks like after I've moisturized it and detangled it. Guys, look at how beautiful and moisturized it looks. Like, I think this is fantastic. To use just a little bit of water, literally, like, I just sprinkle it just like that, not too much. This is the Shea the English is not English, guys. Anyways, Shea Miracle Curl Styling Custard. So this is what it looks like, and it's got a really nice consistency. I can't really describe it. It kind of reminds me of like flaxseed, but it's not really like that. It's not as slimy. This much is more than enough. Just spread it all over the hair. Then I use my wide tooth comb and I just detangle from the ends to the roots. I just kind of want to cut the ends that are too thin because I don't like them. I don't like them like hanging, just like having 3 strands of hair just hanging, you know what I mean? So I just like to just trim it a little bit, but this is something that I'm just doing now, and hopefully I won't have to do it for a long time. As you can see, the hair is super moisturized, and because there is like this, I don't know if there's gel in this custard, but it keeps the hair in place. Second thing that you need to prep the night before is your hair, and that's the reason why I've got this on my head. I used a couple of, what is this called? Pins to hold my hair in place. I used a little bit of Eco Styler gel. We're kind of experimenting, so guys, we're just hoping this thing works out well. I deep conditioned my hair and I left it in twists, and I laid it flat and I put it in like a little ponytail. I pre-parted my hair. This is the parting that I want, and then I left some hair out, which is the hair that I want to use to cover the clip-ins. This whole line of hair over my edges and all over here, and then there's this one here as well. Now, I don't know if I left out enough hair, but we will find out as we experiment. I've got 10 pieces of hair. This hair has a lot of volume, especially when it dries out, especially when you fluff it out. So don't be fooled by it. As you can see, there's like the clips here, which you can open like so. I start from the bottom and I let the combs go in my hair and I clip it. You need to practice a little bit, maybe, if you've never used clip-ins, but I think it's very intuitive to use. I think another thing that I should have done is to leave more hair to like here in the middle to cover the back. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do to cover this. I don't know if I should add another line of hair. Yeah, I think it's too long. I think if I do this, so I'm just going to undo my twist. I'm trying to be as gentle as I can with it because I don't want it to get too fizzy. And sorry if you guys see me looking somewhere else. It's just that I'm looking in the mirror because I really want this to turn out right. Like, I really planned this last night and I was like, this is gonna turn out bomb, so it better. Basically splitting my hair gently so that it can blend nicely. I can't even tell. I can't even tell what's my hair and what's not. Like, this looks so good, guys. Okay, yeah, I can kind of tell what my hair is because this is definitely not the extension. Look at how much hair I have left. I have this, and this little piece. But guys, I really love this. I really love this leg. Absolute success. A success. I am so happy. I am so satisfied. I can even try to make this hair fizzier to make it like even bigger, but I don't know, I just like this simple look for now. Yeah guys, so this is literally the end result. This video was so quick to make. I don't know how long this video will be, but I want to thank Miss Naturally Curly for putting us on, because this is bomb. I think this is amazing, and I like the idea of having a wig or hair extensions that is more similar to my hair. It makes complete sense and it looks so pretty. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe, like this video, and let me know your experience with clipping extensions. Mwah! Bye.